The bush dog is a unique and elusive canid found in the forests and swamps of Central and South America. Weighing only about 20 to 25 pounds, it is one of the smallest wild dog species. Bush dogs have a distinctive appearance, with a short, stocky body, a broad head, and webbed feet, which make them excellent swimmers. They are social animals, often living in small packs and hunting cooperatively for prey like capybaras and small mammals. Remarkably, their vocalizations include a range of sounds, from barks to high-pitched whistles, which help them communicate in dense habitats.